So far, what have you done to the bike?
I changed the handlebar to a lower one by 20 mm. This is a 80 mm riser.
80 mm riser, okay.
I have also changed the grip to a Brooks leather grip. Okay, black color. Okay.
With a pump rest.
Yes. Alright.
Oh.
And incorporate a side mirror for road cycling.
Okay, what else?
Okay. I have also changed the front carrier block to a lighter version.
The original is plastic, is it?
Original is plastic, yes. It's a bit more, it's a bit heavier. Okay. I have also installed a light bracket with the front light.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. For the hinge, I also changed the hinge clamp, one set.
What's the difference between the old version and this new upgrade?
This version of the hinge clamp, okay, it will not turn 360 degrees on the hinge clamp plate. It was fixed at one position.
Oh, that means this kind of stationary now.
Yes, yes. So when you swing your bike for clamping, it won't be moving around.
Okay.
Okay, same goes to this one. Okay, I've also changed the pedal to the quick release version. Okay, this is the MKS
Is
pedal.
it carbon, made of carbon?
This is a carbon plate. This is a steel axle.
Okay.
Okay.
So easy to detach
Yeah.
for storage.
Yeah. I've also installed the feed lock for both sides. One is here, one is here. For the water bottles.
Oh, you need 2 water bottles.
Yes, for long distance cycling. Okay. Alright, then I've also changed the seat post clamp. Okay, the reason why I changed this because this is a lighter version.
Oh,
This is a titanium seat post clamp.
can reduce
The
some weight.
axle, yeah, the axle is a titanium axle.
Okay.
Okay.
Suspension.
I have also changed the suspension block to a titanium one. The center axle is also a titanium axle. This is 50% stiffer than the original suspension block,
Okay.
so that it will reduce the bounce and convert your energy better when you cycle. Alright? Okay. Okay, I put a Manak here. The Manak is actually to put my quick release pedal.
Oh,
Yeah, so that it will not block this area when I fold the bike.
okay.
Okay.
What is this for?
I've installed this side triangle bag, okay, to accommodate a small first aid kit. Alright. So this one for emergency purposes.
Oh, okay.
Alright. Okay. I've also installed the easy wheel with a wheel extender.
For more stable parking.
After when it's folded, it's more stable together with the rack.
Original Brompton rack.
No, this is a mini rack.
Oh. So what about the kickstand?
I haven't installed the kickstand yet. Maybe I'll install it later.
Suppose is it original?
Seat post currently is still the original one, but I will be installing the titanium version.
Now we install.
Yes, we can install now.